Hi, this is Rachel with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick tip on adding color to your earring wires using seed beads. We carry so many beautiful styles of earring wires, and they add a nice metallic touch to your earrings, but when you want to take things up a notch design-wise, you can add some seed beads for a pop of color. So these are the Sea and Sky earrings, and I just took a couple of 11-0 Miyuki Delica seed beads and strung them directly onto the earring wire to carry the theme forward, so it's blue for sea and sky. So one tip when you're doing this is to look for earring wires that are round wire. So these kidney earring wires are a good example. They just are nice and round as opposed to these hooks which have this flattened area. So one problem with the flattened area is you're not going to be able to get very small seed beads over that area. You might not even be able to get 8-0s. So these are 11-0s and they're definitely not going to fit. But if you use a round wire, earring wire like these kidney ones, you're going to be just fine. So another issue you want to look out for is what's going to hold the seed beads in place. So with these earrings, the seed beads are stopped by this bottom loop on the bottom of the earring wire. So that's going to prevent them from sliding into the loop area. But on these guys, we're going to want to do something to keep those seed beads in place. So I have a couple of crimp beads here. These are actually crimp tubes in size 1.5 millimeters. And all I'm going to do is slide one of these crimp tubes onto the earring wire from the end all the way to the front. And I'm just going to crimp this crimp tube in place. So I'm using the double notch crimp tubes, and I'm going to use the smaller notch here. So I'll just slip that into the notch and squeeze. And I'm just going to round out the crimp tube. And now this is pretty solid and it's going to hold your seed beads in place. So I'm just going to take a couple of these 11-0 Miyuki Delicas and slide them onto the end of the ear wire. And they'll fit nice and easily. And now I'm just going to move them up and they'll be held in place by that crimp tube. And now all you have to do is add a charm and you have a pair of earrings, like these St. Patrick's Day earrings right here. And it just adds a nice pop of color to your earrings. So that's how to add a touch of color to your earring wires using seed beads. You can find all of these supplies at beadaholique.com. Thanks for watching.